All right. Up next is Ross Rubin, Kilo Mike 4, Hotel Zulu Foxtrot. And I'm not sure if anyone noticed this, but his name was on that list of Arlington Radio Club VE Amateur Radio General Passers. So let's congratulate Ross on getting his general ticket. Ross is now going to show us his truck electrical radio project, which I believe is right here.
All right. If some of you might remember from last year, I did bring this in between work and buying a house this year. I haven't had much time to work on this. So I started wiring it, but then I got to the point where I needed to pack up all my stuff. So this is where it's at now. And I ran into a few issues. So this is the exterior wiring harness for the radio and all the electrical, exterior electrical. As you can see, it's got a bulkhead on it because I want everything to be plug and play. I need to be able to drive it. I can't have this dangling around in the back seat. So, and like all maniacs with plans that span over several years, I missed something. Um, so originally, there's a spot under the back seat where there's a flat spot that I was going to plug this in, and I went and I fit it up there by hand, but I forgot. And so I had this plate made. I was just going to drill a hole, bolt this plate, plug it in. But when I originally fit this, I forgot you need to have room for the mating connector, so it didn't fit. And that was a problem where that came into this. So I needed to turn it 90 degrees and still be plug and play. So I designed and 3D printed this stuff from glass fiber nylon. This was about 50 hours of printing and $80 a filament. And so basically, I came up with this piece that bolts down, and then the 90-degree adapter to hold the plate, and then this bolts to that, and it has a terminal block inside, and made another plate up, and wouldn't you know, it doesn't fit. So if anyone has a complete 3D model of a 2020 F-150 or a very high-end 3D scanner, please let me know. Um, so yeah, uh, but now that I have my own garage and I don't need to negotiate with my dad for time to work on stuff. Hopefully next year I can drive my truck through that window and it'll be done. So uh, that's it. I'm good.
All right. Thank you, Ross.